Hi friends, welcome in this online class of जिजाऊ ज्ञानतीर्थ विद्यालय, पाथरी रोड, परभणी. Friends, today we have to see the science of 5th standard. In this we have seen the information about the 4th chapter. The name of the chapter is the environmental balance. In that we have seen or observed on the bank of river, lake, what is the biodiversity, environment, all these things. After that, the environment, in that living and non-living things are how depend and live in the environment. Okay. After that, we have seen the different examples of food chain, starting of food chain, different constituents of food chain, effect of constituents on that chain. All these things we have seen in the last lecture. Today we have to see the next topic. The name of the topic is the food web. Up to the last lecture we have seen the food chain, but now we have to study the information about the food web. So friends, observe the picture on the screen. Observe the various food chains shown in the picture below. See the picture on the screen. In that picture there are number of food chains are come together, and this is we called as food web. Okay, find the different food chains of which worm and the mouse from link. Okay, one living thing can be a part of number of food chains. See, one living thing, that is part of number of living things. See in the picture, this grass is the food of worm. This worm is food of caterpillar. Caterpillar is a food of frog. Frog is a food of snake, and snake is a food of eagle. So this is a one food chain. After that, second food chain we have to see the grass is eaten by the rabbits, and rabbits are eaten by lion. This is a food chain. So there is a grass, rabbit, after that deer. These are the constituents which are part of the different food chains. Okay, that is we have seen or observed in the picture with the help of picture. So this is about the food web. And in nature there is a thousands of food chains are there, and we call it as food web. Okay, the next thing, the most important food in food chain, that is plants. So friend, this is the most important. See, every living thing get its food from the environment. All the living things are depend on the environment for the food. Many animals in the environment eat only plants. See here, many animals are eat plants, and some animals they eat other animals. Okay, other animals eat the animals that live on plants, but plant makes their own food in the presence of sunlight using water and carbon dioxide from the air. It means that plants are the main support of every food chain. See, this is the main, because the starting of food chain is from the plants, and the herbivorous plant directly eat grass and plants, but carnivorous animals eat other animals. Then plants are not directly but indirectly the food of carnivorous animals. Okay, so many of the food chains are starting from the grass. So this plant or grass is the most important food, because without plant or grass food chain cannot start. So this is most important, because this plant or grass make their own food in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air and water, minerals from the soil, and chlorophyll present in the leaf of that plant. So there is lot of processes carried out, and after that there is a formation of glucose, means C6H12O6 plus oxygen, and that oxygen leaves out in the environment, and that oxygen is used by other animals. So this is the most important to all living things. Okay, so friends, we will stop here. The next topic we have to take in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.